Good day everyone and welcome to your Wednesday's weather update. The current circulation pattern over South Africa is bringing down lots of tropical moist air from the north, and this is resulting in quite cloudy weather, and along with that, wet conditions are expected today, particularly for the central and southern parts of the country. In the east, it's also going to be quite cloudy. The showers continue over the low veld and onto the high veld for this afternoon, while along the western coastline it was quite cloudy and wet yesterday. Things have dried up across the area and it's going to be a partly cloudy afternoon. A closer look at today's rainfall probabilities, and here we see a very slight chance for a few showers along the south coast as well as around the Cape Peninsula. Otherwise, scattered showers and thundershowers will affect the northwest province, Gauteng, much of the Lowveld, as well as parts of the Free State and the Northern Cape. A couple of isolated thunderstorms for the central and northern parts of KwaZulu-Natal, while it's going to be a very wet day over the Eastern Cape. Widespread rainfall for some places, and along with that, there could be some significant falls of rain in places. Now, although it's quite a cloudy day over much of South Africa, temperatures will still rise into the upper 20s, 27 degrees for Bloemfontein, Kimberley, Mahikeng and Johannesburg. Similar for Mbombela. In KwaZulu-Natal, temperatures approaching the mid-30s for both Pietermaritzburg and Richards Bay. A very humid day along that east coast. Cape Town gets to 26 degrees and Vredendal near the west coast rises through to 30. Let's take a look at the detailed coastal forecast now, when moderate wind speeds are expected for the west coast today. Alexander Bay getting up to 30 kilometers per hour. And we're expecting swells to average between 2 and 3 meters as we head further south. A long period of 14 seconds. Moderate winds around the Cape Peninsula, but very light winds for Hermanus at 15 kilometers per hour. Southwesterlies are going to develop between Mossel Bay and Port Elizabeth today, 25 kilometers per hour around Nelson Mandela Bay, and we're expecting swells to be quite low, averaging with an open ocean height of about 2 meters. And it's going to be another gusty day for both Durban and Richards Bay. Average wind speeds at 40 kilometers per hour, those northeasterlies blowing across the region. A light wind for East London, on the other hand, at only 15 kilometers per hour. Swells will be quite low, 1.5 meters in the north, but reaching 2.5 meters for East London.
You deserve to know more.
eNCA.com